Well, back to 2013 Subaru Impreza. After it ran for maybe 15 minutes, I was getting my stuff out of here, and when I was picking up, the engine RPM kind of dropped a little. Well, and after that I turned it off, trying to start it, no start. No, now it starts and dies. No codes. And as I was looking at the crank sensor, at the broken connector, what I noticed, what I have noticed. I have noticed that the crank sensor is not original. It looks like aftermarket sensor, and I think that's the issue right now. Even though now it started after it set for like another 15 minutes. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and I found a used sensor. I'm gonna try to put that on and see if that's the whole thing. I think it is. So most likely, when the car was not starting at the beginning, somebody maybe was thinking it's a crank sensor and swapped it out with a piece of a junk aftermarket, and that's the whole issue, and broke the connector. So now I got to put the original sensor, OEM sensor in and replace the connector. Alright, I guess I'm gonna do that and see if that's the issue. Right, thank you.